Rockler develops a lot of new and innovative tools every year, and we do our best to keep you in the know. But once in a while, a tool may get missed. So in today's video, I'm going to quickly share 10 new tools from the past year or so that we don't want you to miss. 10 tools is a lot to cover, so I'm going to move quickly, and I'm only going to focus on the main features of each tool. If you want any more information or details about any of these tools, you'll find links in the video description or the article. Let's get started. First, these cord winding brackets are the perfect solution for storing your tool cords or extension cords. When it's time to use the cord, just give the knob a twist to release the whole cord at once. They feature peel and stick tape and mounting holes for easy mounting to tools, pegboard, or shop stands. Next, if you've ever struggled to secure a hose to a tool or workbench, I think you'll love these clamping hose holders. It's a spring clamp with a built-in hose clamp that can secure hoses up to 2.5-inch diameter. Great for point source dust collection in awkward spots. You can also clamp it to a stud or rafter to get the hose up and out of the way. Next, this fence port dust brush eliminates the need to pull out your shop vacuum to clean up a workstation. It does double duty. It's a dust hose that connects to the port on a tool fence or power tool, and it's a cleanup brush. Just pull it off the dust port to clean up your router table, drill press, miter saw, or other tool station. And when it's time to clean up your floor, this Dust Right floor sweep accessory makes it easy to sweep up without having to bend over and pick up a dustpan. Just open the foot-operated blast gate, sweep in the dust, and watch it disappear. This next tool is perfect when you need to spread glue over a large area. This 5-inch glue roller applies glue quickly and very evenly over wide boards, veneers, and laminations. It also includes a silicone drip tray / roller rest. The roller detaches from the handle for easy rinsing, and dried glue peels right off both the roller and tray. Now, if you work with highly figured wood or struggle with grain tear out, then a cabinet scraper can really help. But it's only effective if it's sharp. And this 3-in-1 cabinet scraper sharpening tool makes the sharpening process quick and easy. It features everything you need to create a sharp, uniform burr. Each step of the process is numbered, and the tool sets itself to the proper honing angles. If you make cabinets, this knob and pull pro drilling guide makes it a snap to install knobs, pulls, handles to your cabinet doors or drawers. And it also spaces the hardware holes evenly. The key to this jig is that it uses the actual pull to set the hole spacing, eliminating measurement and math errors. That means fast and accurate hardware installations without frustration. We all know you can never have too many clamps, so let's finish up with 3 new clamps. First up, the first of its kind, spring-loaded one-handed bar clamp. They were first introduced about a year ago. Just squeeze the trigger and the spring mechanism closes the jaw in an instant. No repetitive pumping of the trigger. Fast and efficient, the one-handed action leaves your other hand free to position parts and hold them in place. Next, a more recent addition to our line of clamps. This is the Clamp It Small Corner Clamping Jig. It's designed to hold stock between 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch thick at a perfect right angle. You can use them to clamp glued corner joints or as an extra set of hands to hold the joint closed while you drive fasteners. Perfect for making small boxes. And last, but certainly not least, our newest clamps. These are the Mini Deluxe panel clamps. They're the little brother to our very popular Deluxe panel clamps. These are the perfect clamp for gluing up large or small panels. The key feature of these clamps is that they apply clamping force in 4 directions, across the panel to close the joints and on the top and bottom to keep the panel flat. The Deluxe panel clamp can handle panels up to 36 inches wide and 3 inches thick. The Mini Deluxe panel clamp is designed for smaller panels, up to 16 inches wide and 1.5 inches thick. Perfect for cutting boards. All right, there you have it. 10 innovative new tools from the past year, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. If you want to see more new tools and accessories from Rockler, you can visit us at rockler.com/new-products. I hope you spotted something that will help improve your shop or make your woodworking even more fun. I'm Dan Carey with Rockler and Woodworkers Journal. Thanks for watching.